going to Pittsburgh from Tampa. About 10 years since we moved to Tampa from Pittsburgh. So we're back to check out all three projects: James, Ground, and Cottage. So we have a lot of updates on all of them. So stay tuned. Alright, so we just got back to Pittsburgh. So we're gonna check out the Cottage Lane first and then Ground next. Day 60, Ground project, week 9. Alright, so the update in the basement, we got the wall up over here. Paint. Still have quite a while to go here. And the full shower in the basement. Doing some electrical work over here. Working on lights. We're gonna have pendant light over here. We were supposed to do 2 hall pendant light, but he only got a 1, so we'll have to put 1 pendant light that goes with 3 bulbs. I don't know, maybe 4. We'll see that. Also, we're gonna have recessed lighting over there, and we're gonna change out the lights and the whole house ceiling, and the walls are patched, repainted, and the floor is stained, clear coated in some of the places. Even though we have a lot of windows over here, it's very dark and gloomy, I would say. So when we put lights, it'll brighten up the space, looks better when we do that. So I'm glad that we opened up the space. It looks a lot better. And we got the staircases, dark walnut. So this is the final result. I would say for this door, it'll look exactly the same, with the black handles, white, simple white color. And this bedroom got the light. The ceiling paint is done. We're gonna paint the window trims into simply white as well, baseboards, and just resand the surface. It looks a little odd, I would say. And what the contractor gonna do is to resand it and put a light clear coat on top of it. But the rest of the bedrooms is good, so it looks good. Still have to paint a lot of trims, doors, change out the light fixtures, and outlet switch